Hi there. Have you ever been in the middle of building a diagram in Machinations and thought, what exactly are these black tokens moving across my canvas? Well, you're not alone. Every systems designer should ask that question at some point in their journey. For experienced designers who are familiar with abstraction, the answer might be simple. A resource token can represent everything from natural materials in crafting and manufacturing systems, user stats and behavior-based simulations, to money, gold, coins, and any currency in economic models. In short, if it's a measurable value, it's represented by the mighty black dot. But here's the thing. While abstraction is powerful, sometimes it's not enough. Through the years, we have understood how valuable the power of visualization is for any systems thinker. That's why we're excited to introduce user-defined diagram resources. Now, instead of the same black token, you can create your own colorful, meaningful icons to better track which exact resource is created, consumed, or converted into new ones. Creating a new resource is quick and easy. Click Add New in the side panel. Type in the name of your resource. Pick an icon from our built-in library. Choose the Machinations node you would wish to operate with your resource. And just like that, your diagram comes to life, animated with the resources that actually matter to your system. Moreover, if you already have your own collection of assets, the resource creation screen allows you to import your SVG files directly into Machinations. For example, if your project is handling multiple currency types and the icon library is too restrictive, feel free to add unlimited custom-made icons to better showcase the project specifications. The simple answer is that you should use diagram resources all the time if you value the clarity, visibility, and presentability of your project. Whether you are building your own system and you would like to clearly remember each transfer type in the diagram, or if you are working in a team where ideas must be easily shared with your colleagues, custom-made resources help any designer to bridge the gap between high-level abstractions and real-life tangible entities. In Machinations, only specific components are compatible with custom resources, while the rest perform their action regardless of the type of resource transferred. The following diagram nodes should have their resource field specified. Sources. They generate a specified number of selected resources in your diagram. Whether you are generating crafting resources, coins, health points, diamonds, or workers, sources will provide an unlimited generation for your custom tokens each time they are triggered. Pools. Applying custom resources for pools will apply the selected type only for the initial amount of resources at the start of the simulation. However, resources truly shine in pools when they are accumulated from other nodes in the diagram. These nodes have the capacity to receive and send multiple types of resources at the same time, allowing you to design numerous inventory and storage management systems. Converters. Similar to sources, converters generate the specified type of resource. The main difference is that converters must consume another type of resource in order to activate their generation. This node is the best method to model buy-sell mechanics, where currencies such as coins could be traded for any type of new resource in your system. Connections. Additionally, custom resources could also be specified as filters on any connection in your diagram. Whether you want to transfer a selected type of resource or if you want to trigger events or check conditions only based on a specific metric, resource filters will ensure that you have full control of the diagram flows. With your own diagram resources, you can finally bridge the gap between abstraction and visualization. Your diagrams don't just work, they tell a story. So go ahead, try out custom resources in your next project and see your systems come alive like never before.